This is the Digital Traveler workflow from cmExe, Construction's manufacturing execution system. With cmExe, you can track every part, assembly, and raw material via a unique QR code generated directly in the system. The new Form Builder feature lets users create a custom template to insert and lay out coded fields tied to the users and the project. This reusable template will be stored in the company space and will be used to generate a digital traveler that can be printed on paper or used on a tablet. Creating a new job order will allow you to add parts and assemblies from your bill of materials, enabling your production teams to track groups of parts and assemblies all at once with a new unique QR code. In the order form, the user can view the quantities of each part and determine how many to include in this order. When the order is created, fields such as their username, current date, project ID, and more will be automatically populated from cmExe. Once the form is saved, the selected parts and assemblies will be tracked as a group for batch production. In addition to batch production, this workflow also exists for small parts that are too small to have QR codes on them. Here we'll see one of the cmExe users log in and scan the order form code from their smartphone. By scanning the QR code, they are brought to that unique job order page where they can advance the status of the parts and assemblies all at once. At this point, they can add some notes to the status change and attach files such as photos directly from their smartphone. Once the first status has been updated, users with granted permissions can advance statuses, flag an item for review, or revert the status to the previous step. All of the real-time updated statuses track who, what, when, and where for every part and assembly on the building, giving you valuable data and visibility into your production process from the shop floor through to on-site installation. This has been the Part Traveler workflow from cmExe, Construction's manufacturing execution system.